Okay, so this is kind of funny because I have two different temperatures of light coming at me, so editing this is gonna be fun. We're gonna try to transform into Beetlejuice. I have no idea how to do this. I don't even know where to start. Like, hey, you know what? No, we're gonna start with the basics of basics. This is not the basics of basics. I actually need to find like my effing water face spray to spray my face. What the balls? Okay, I found it. I found it. I know what I'm looking for now. Somebody ended up joining the live stream. So in case you're just now joining in, I decided that I wanted to transform into Beetlejuice at 2:30 at night. At 12:30 at night. I'm bored. I wanted to transform into a character tonight and I felt like going live while doing so. So here's the aftermath. Ow. Okay. So I'm gonna just start by moisturizing this face. Because you gotta get the moisture up in there before you can start putting anything to this face, right? That's how makeup is done, right? Right? That's how makeup is done. You guys are probably just watching me be really stupid right now. And I appreciate that because that means that you guys respect me to a certain degree. So in order to start this transformation, we're going to just put some press powder on our face because I don't know how to do makeup properly and I never know actually how to do contouring and preparing and other stuff that you need to do makeup. Is this focusing on here? Now it is. This mirror is dirty as crap. I don't even know why I use it. You know what? I should probably use some foundation. Mwah! I love you too. I should probably be asleep, but I'm doing this video right now, so who cares? What is sleep? Who does sleep anymore these days? You know who I'm talking about. Okay, so Beetlejuice is supposed to be a dead character, but I've ended up enlivening this freaking face. You know what? Because I am gonna break everything in my room. My friends are talking to me on Facebook. What is this platform called? My friends are talking to me on Instagram. And they're making me happy. I miss them. I don't get to see faces anymore because adult life is annoying. She said preach, because adult life is really frustrating. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it's frustrating. So using this piece of paper and my color palette, we shall get some purple in these eyes. I think it's purple. What color is Beetlejuice's eyes? Or like the shadow? He's dead. But I'm black and he's white-ish. He's white. So how do you transform into Beetlejuice while black and being not 1000% ashy? Deborah said, Who are we? Hello, beautiful. Y'all, all of my effing beauties are coming back and I'm feeling so happy. Okay, so we've kind of got like a little punch in the face going on here. I need you to be smudged more. Looking for something important. Looking for something important. Looking for something important. Okay, so we're gonna start with the dark. Let's try that again, but in English. So I'm gonna use a black and start in the creasy corner of my eye. Just to get that blackity blackness in that corner. I also can't see a ding darn thing that I'm doing, so if I'm doing this wrong, ha 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 ha. I literally just want to look like I got punched in the face. So now that we look like we've got properly punched in the face, we are going to continue with something that makes our eyes look darker. liner. Okay, so I wanted this to be as dramatic as possible, and I got it on both sides. In order to make my face look a little bit flush, it's a good thing I'm black or else this wouldn't work. So I have this. Now this is actually supposed to be loose face powder, but because it's like bright white as ish, I knew it was gonna make a smoke. I didn't think it would be that intense. So, fudge. I have to clean this up. Oh my goodness. I don't want to clean that up later, but I'm gonna have to. Okay, we're gonna use the loose face powder and just lightly brush it across my face and also probably across my entire body. Okay, it actually kind of worked. I actually, through the camera, I look kind of more dead. Through this camera, I look like I'm glowing. So, I'm gonna go with this camera. Okay, totally didn't fall. Totally didn't stub my toe. I'm okay. I wanted to get some patches of green around my face because that's what Beetlejuice has. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna put on a wig in a minute. So you're probably wondering, how do we get a wig over this? I've done it before. I have literally put a wig over this big mess of hair. So I'm excited to see how we do it again. I don't remember how I did it the first time. Anyway, so we're gonna use these two colors, patches. We're gonna use this in order to get the little spotches of color around our face. I'm gonna actually paint my lips later, but right now I'm just gonna add these little spotches there. Actually, I need purple lips, and because I'm too lazy, we are gonna actually, so I'm gonna stop with the contouring of my face to make me look like death. I'm actually gonna blotch a lot more around here, but before I do that, I'm too lazy to actually do this properly, so I'm gonna use the purple to kind of like purple my lips and make me look somewhat. This is not purple. This is metallic, and I regret everything. Do I look dead yet? Do I look dead yet? Why don't I have black anymore? I don't have black lipstick anymore. I'm gonna kick you because you're making me mad. To combat the fact that I do not actually have black lipstick, almost dropped my mirror. We are going to use, y'all, I'm somewhat becoming a professional makeup artist, even though I've only done makeup twice on set. We're gonna use a paint palette. Even, you know what, now that I think about it, I actually have like 5 paint palettes and I'm gonna buy 4 more. And basically, I'm gonna fill, what is this called? This is a water activated paint palette base. So the more water you put, the more the paint gets like painty. So because I don't have actual lipstick, we are going to spray the black, let it mix, and then we're gonna let me bad and paint myself. Okay, I'm gonna just start painting. This is like actual lipstick. I love it! So I'm kind of getting sick of my actual hair right now. So we are going to actually stuff this into a wig. The moment you've all been waiting for!
You could use a buddy. Don't you want a pal? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Girl, the way I see it, your daddy should be leaving and you should stick around and kill him. What? Nothing. So Lydia, don't end yourself. Defend yourself. Daddy is the one you should maim. Together we'll exterminate. Assassinate! No! The finer points can wait, but first you gotta say my name.
Okay, so when I say I am stoked that I was able to get this, holy freaking chiz am I stoked that I'm able to get this. Cause I didn't think that this would come out like this when I first started. Like, I was not planning any of this. Guys, I transformed into Beetlejuice and I'm so happy. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe because I want to make more videos like this. I'm gonna make more videos like this, but if you want to be caught up, you have to press that little bell in the corner and subscribe. Anyway, I'll see you beautiful guys in the next video. Hopefully that won't be like another, how many months was this? 4 months? So, peace, love, and happiness. Yeah. If I make really weird facial expressions, this works out perfectly.